Very good.
Yeah.
I like that. I think most people will like that.
Yeah. TCL air conditioner has taken AI healthy technology to a new level.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no longer merely reactive. It can sense, understand, decide, and proactively to serve individual needs. This is our latest innovation, and it is designed specifically to enhance sleep quality, especially for athletes.
Yeah.
Happy support, faster recovery,
Yeah.
and peak performance.
Very good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I think most people will like that.
Yeah. It's my greatness.